Want to know how to turn this into this in 30 seconds? Let me show you how. One of the first bits of wisdom I learned when I decided to get serious about cooking was how to make garlic paste in under 30 seconds. You'd be surprised the number of people in professional kitchens who don't know how to do this. They just stand there and chop, chop, chop. When I learned this, it was a revelation. So today I thought I'd share it with you. It's really simple. To start, all you need is to peel garlic cloves. Now, a really quick way to peel garlic cloves is to cut them at the root end and use one of these rubber garlic peelers. It's just basically a tube. You pop it in there and then you roll it on your cutting board and the skin just pops right off. Sometimes you'll break your garlic, but that's okay because that's what we're doing anyway. So once you have all of that peeled, then you gather your garlic cloves into a ball in the center of your cutting board. You start by giving it a really rough chop. And once you have it fairly chopped, doesn't have to be uniform, you add a copious amount of salt. It can be any kind of salt. I'm using Himalayan sea salt here. You could use table salt, kosher salt, whatever you have on hand. Now this is gonna seem like a crazy amount, but it's actually gonna liquefy this garlic. Now it helps if you have really fresh garlic on hand. The fresher it is, the more of a paste consistency you'll get. So now you just chop, chop, chop. And then you do something different. You take the side of your knife and you start pressing on the garlic, almost like you're a brick worker. You know how they have those trowels and that cement and they just push it back and forth? And you alternate between chopping and pressing, and chopping and pressing. And in a few more seconds, you'll have virtually liquid garlic. This is the road to garlic paste in 30 seconds. Life is just better with a little more garlic in it. Looking for more shortcuts like this? Subscribe to my YouTube channel.